Welcome to the front of me, XIAOMI Redmi 4X, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open Gmail application, and after that we can see here that we are logged in Gmail account in Gmail apps. And if you wanna log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts. Here click to Google section and tap to more icon. After that, click here to remove account and confirm your action by click here to remove account again. Are you sure? Yes. So if you have just the protect method, enter it. Now in Google account settings, we can see that we just log out from Gmail account, and also we can see it here in Gmail applications that we successfully log out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.